Alright, this is test run. See if I can do a POV of me driving. Been having a lot of issues with the Uconnect. As you can see, it's like there's no buttons down here. I'm gonna have to reset this thing. I'm not sure what's going on with it. I'm gonna have to take it to the dealership, get them to do a update on it. As you can tell already, people in this great state of Kentucky cannot drive. Try with the windows down. Wind noise, but we'll see how the video turns out. Yeah, the only real downside, man, is
let's ride.
Alright, so I got CarPlay. come back up. And I'll go to my... I had issues yesterday with, yep, and sure enough, let me see. There we go. Now it's working. Let's go to the track. Try it one more time with the windows down. Now, I'll wait till I get to the light. So I think Tuesday I'm gonna get my the Ferrata wheel set up. I need to get it balanced. You can probably see it in this video. I got a little vibration in the steering wheel because I think those wheels just need to be balanced. That should solve my problem. I told my buddy about it. He said he had the same issue, so. Looks wide open, but man, the cops usually stay out here pretty thick, so that's why I ain't going too crazy with it. But I'll probably flip it around, make a U-turn up here. If that exhaust is picking up really good on the video. I hope it is. I think I'll just flip around right here. It sounds really good. Maybe I'll roll my windows down this time so y'all can hear it. I'll go to eco mode. That's normally what I'm in. Eco mode is chill, man. It calms this motor down. Truck runs smooth. I call it a truck, whatever, but runs super smooth in eco. And as you can see, I filled up yesterday. You see my fuel range. My fuel range was actually at like 335 yesterday. Hopefully I can get this light, then I can get another good pull. Nope, not making it. Let's see if I can catch up to these other cars.